Coloring Coloriendo.
Hey there, little artists. Can you guess what we're drawing today? I'll give you some clues. He's got the biggest ears you've ever seen, fluffy blue fur, a nose like a button, and sometimes he causes just a tiny bit of trouble. Oh, and here's a big hint. He's not from Earth. Any guesses? That's right. It's Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. Today, we're going to bring this adorable alien experiment to life with our colors and imagination. Now, Stitch is a very special little guy. He's actually called Experiment 626, and he was made to be super strong, super fast, and just a little bit naughty. But what makes him extra special is that he learns about love, kindness, and family. Do you remember the word from the movie? Ohana, and Ohana means family, and family means nobody gets left behind or forgotten. That's one of my favorite quotes ever. As you start coloring, think about Stitch's big, shiny eyes. They're full of curiosity. His ears are so big that he can probably hear everything from miles away. And his smile, well, it's a mix of adorable and what is he up to now? But here's the best part. You don't have to stick to his movie colors. Sure, he's usually blue, but in your picture, Stitch can be any color you want. Bright purple, neon green, covered in rainbow stripes? Absolutely. You're the boss of your artwork. Did you know Stitch can lift things way bigger than himself? Imagine him lifting an entire stack of pancakes taller than a house. Or maybe he's carrying a surfboard that's longer than a bus. You could even add something silly like a giant watermelon or a space rock in your drawing. You can also make the background however you want. Maybe Stitch is on a sunny Hawaiian beach with palm trees swaying. Or maybe he's sitting in a rocket, zooming through space with stars and planets all around. You could even put him in your own backyard. Maybe he's having a picnic, playing with your pet, or, oops, getting into trouble in the garden. If you like the video and want to see more videos, share, subscribe, and tell your friends so we can keep creating amazing art together. Here's another cool fact. Stitch can understand and speak different languages, even alien ones. Sometimes he talks in a silly, mumbling voice, but he can also say sweet things when he wants to. Imagine what your version of Stitch would sound like if he could talk to you right now. What would he say? Maybe aloha, or maybe let's go eat cake. And don't forget, Stitch loves Elvis Presley music. In the movie, he even dresses up like Elvis and plays guitar. That means you could draw a little guitar in his hands, or make him wearing cool sunglasses and a sparkly outfit. How awesome would that be?
Blue.
Take your time adding all the details. His little claws, his round tummy, his tiny nose. And don't be afraid to add extra decorations, like flowers in the background, colorful waves, or even shooting stars. The more details you add, the more your picture will tell its own story. One more fun fact. Stitch might be small, but he's one of the most famous Disney characters from Hawaii, and he's loved all over the world. People make plushies, backpacks, t-shirts, and even cakes shaped like him. Who knows? Maybe one day your drawing of Stitch could be on a t-shirt or a poster too. So, keep coloring, keep imagining, and most importantly, keep having fun.
Pink.
When you're done, you'll have your very own one-of-a-kind stitch. A stitch that nobody else in the world has because you made it with your own creativity. And that's something worth smiling about.
Coloring coloriendo.